Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can transfer employee salary to the saving account. So just have a look. So from the search bar, I will search one employee. So this employee, we need to create one saving account. So I will just quickly create saving account of this employee for the month of February. We have created this account. Now, if I search this account D-5, you can see here deposit, withdrawal and interest. Total is 0. Balance is 0. Now, how we can do the salary transfer? So I will go to the HR management and salary pay. So here I will select the employee name, salary month and just refresh. So here you can see total salary is 8,500, that is included with the allowance. So I will just calculate and I will select the saving account transfer mode. So here you can write the transaction mode and reference number. So I will just click to the save on this date, 8 March. So I have transferred this salary. Now let's go to the account number D-5, which is the saving account of employee Gaurang Muzumdar. Here you can see the 8,500 is balance and it's deposited by the company as a salary and wages account 8,500. And from the HR management salary statement, here you can select the employee name and the salary month. Just click to refresh. So here you can see the receipt of the salary statement. You can give to the employee or employee can see this on his login ID. So here you can see the salary statement. You can print, you can give a print as a PDF also you can save. And the report you can check from here, the business summary, account statement. Here you can see select the employee name and just employee name is, or you can select the saving account transfer. Just click to refresh. You can select otherwise the employee name. Let's refresh. Here you can see that salary and wages, the 8,500 transfer to the employee's saving account 5. So thank you friends for watching this video and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.